I'm Teresa Strasser, and you're on the list. You've made the resolution, but do you actually think you'll keep it? Ashley Porter shows you how as she sees what's happening as we begin the year around South Florida.
At number 1.
Teach me. I can do it.
It won't take Jean-Claude Van Damme to do this workout.
Tighten your abs.
Keep your resolution to stay fit.
A max interval workout that's 3 to 5 minutes. That's high intensity.
Try 30 seconds each of mountain climbers, power jumps, and pull-up squats.
You're getting your cardio with your lifting. So you're building lean muscle and you're cutting down your fat.
At number 2, a high-tech resolution for kids.
You're really into computers, huh?
Yeah.
Aaron Wormus, also known as a guy on clematis, gets a lot of computer questions, and after buying his daughter a laptop for Christmas, he also gave her some wisdom for the web.
For parents, you really can't be afraid of it. You just have to learn how to help your kids use it because it's so powerful and there's so much that they can learn from it.
A lot of these tips can work whether you're on a computer or a smartphone.
Included on Aaron's list, be very careful about what you download, don't believe everything you read, and know that anything on your computer could make its way to the web.
Kids are so smart these days. You can install stuff that you think is going to be watching what they're doing, but trust me, they can get around it. So make sure that you have a good relationship with your child first.
And at number 3,
I'm excited and I feel relaxed.
need to relax for the new year? According to the Daily Meal, South Florida has 2 of the top 10 detox destinations in the world. Yes! The Standard Spa Miami Beach boasts a hydrotherapy playground and a mud lounge. And Florida's largest spa, Canyon Ranch in Miami, also made the list, offering a variety of therapies, including a storm shower experience. You can order an Atlantic storm, or you could just live in South Florida. Now you're caught up and clued in around South Florida. I'm Ashley Porter.